Welcome to HT, the leading company in measurement instruments for the safety testing of electrical systems, electrical quantities and energy recording, as well as photovoltaic system testing. A history of ideas, innovation and passion, now enriched by a brand new family of instruments for performance verification, testing and servicing photovoltaic systems and components. A groundbreaker which will set the trend for a new generation. Attention to detail, as well as the end user's requirements, are cornerstones featuring HT products which are inclusive, innovative, user-friendly with a qualified technical support that only a manufacturer such as HT is able to provide. With IV400, searching for possible failures and problems in systems is extremely rapid, efficient and intuitive. Based on its extensive technological specialization, HT is able to manufacture multifunction testers for the photovoltaic field, which are capable of testing installations as well as performing analysis of power quality in compliance with existing standards and measuring IV curve on modules and strings. Each single unit is able to test, check and maintain photovoltaic installations. Let's watch our qualified technician at work. Thanks to the inclinometer, it is possible to determine whether or not the irradiation conditions are suitable. If the shadow falls within the circle, you may proceed with taking measurements. First of all, connect and fasten the irradiation and temperature sensor. Fasten the metal bracket to the modules being tested. Then connect the connection cable to the irradiation and temperature sensor, selecting the correct output according to module type. To facilitate positioning the sensor at the same angle of the modules, the bracket is provided with a little stop notch. Once the cable is connected to IV400 and the instrument is on, the display shows the value of solar irradiation. Section the string from the rest of the system. Set the manufacturer and model of the modules tested, as well as the number of modules the string consists of on IV400. The connection of IV400 is extremely easy and rapid thanks to the practical adapters supplied. Section the first module of the string and connect it to the instrument. In the same way, section the last module of the string tested and connect it to the instrument. Thanks to its internal database containing the characteristics of the photovoltaic modules, IV400 immediately provides the measurement result. A negative result means a damaged module. To identify the damaged module, restore the connections to the string, then connect IV400 to the first module. Set the instrument for testing a single module, then begin measuring. If the result is OK, the tested module is not faulty. Proceed with the following module. If a measurement gives a negative result, the module is faulty, as shown also by the measured IV characteristic. A single damaged module reduces the performance of the whole string and consequently of the system. Therefore, it must be replaced with a correctly operating module. As a counter-check, repeat measurement on the whole string. This time the result is positive, and the measured IV characteristic complies with the values declared by the manufacturer of the module. You may save the measured values and add a comment. With the practical virtual keyboard, it's easy to type in, for example, the name of the customer. IV400 is provided with a practical USB connection to connect to a PC. The TopView software supplied allows the downloading and storing of data, displaying measured curves and values, and creating clear, professional and easily understood reports. Using the instruments produced by HT guarantees maximum customer satisfaction. HT, today is the future.